Hello everyone. Today we're taking a look at the Acer 8GB DDR4 RAM upgrade, specifically designed for a range of Acer Predator laptops. If you're rocking a G3-571, PH315-51, PH315-52, PH317-53, or even a PH517-51 model, and you're feeling a little bottlenecked, this might be just what you need. This Acer module is an 8GB stick of DDR4 SODIMM RAM, running at a speed of 2,666 MHz. It's PC4-21300 rated, and importantly, it's non-ECC, which is exactly what these gaming laptops require. Now, why consider upgrading your RAM? Well, 8GB is becoming the bare minimum for modern gaming and multitasking. If you're finding your Predator struggling with newer titles, experiencing stuttering, or just generally feeling sluggish when you have multiple applications open, more RAM is often the answer. The beauty of this Acer module is its compatibility. It's specifically designed to work with those Acer Predator models I mentioned earlier. This takes the guesswork out of finding compatible RAM, which would be a real headache. Installation is generally straightforward. Of course, always consult your laptop's manual, but typically it involves removing the bottom panel, locating the RAM slots, and carefully inserting the new module. Make sure you hear that satisfying click indicating it's properly seated. Once installed, you should notice an immediate improvement in performance. Games should load faster, multitasking will be smoother, and your overall system responsiveness will be noticeably better. Acer is a reputable brand known for producing quality memory modules. While it might not have the same brand recognition as some of the bigger names, they offer a solid product at a competitive price. This 8GB module is a cost-effective way to breathe new life into your Acer Predator laptop. Of course, before purchasing, double-check your specific laptop model to ensure compatibility. While this module is designed for the models listed, it's always best to be certain. Also, consider whether you want to upgrade to 16GB by purchasing 2 of these modules. Many of these Predator laptops have 2 RAM slots, allowing for a total of 16GB, which will provide even greater performance gains. In conclusion, the Acer 8GB DDR4 2,666 MHz RAM module is a great option for Acer Predator owners looking for a simple and effective performance boost. It's compatible, affordable, and easy to install. If your Predator is feeling a little slow, this could be the perfect upgrade to get you back in the game.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.